guys will be 16 and 17 today.
Thank you.
into the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong. But if we turn the clocks back a couple dials, we should throw Because time ain't ours, oh, but you filled me up, and I can feel it now. She said life is just a symbol for the pain that you can get through, like a camel through the needle. Everyday people.